Okay. And you are watching Range Channel. Okay. We gonna make it lit all 2019. You got it, girl. You got it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys my method. My bald cap method for how I put on my wigs. So I already did my little pattern. I'm not showing y'all because it looks crazy because I did it on myself, so it looks like a hot mess. But they're just flat twists, or they're as flat as I can get them because I want the wig to lay. You feel me? So I just put the wig cap on. Obviously you guys can see it is darker than me, but that's okay. So I'm gonna use this. And I just put it behind my ear because you're gonna have to cut. If you put it over your ear, you're gonna have to cut it anyway. So I don't really see a point to that. And this, for me, every time I've ever done it, wig caps usually don't stick to right here and right here. So I just skip that. I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. And when that dries, I'm gonna be back. Okay, next thing I'm gonna add is the black GOT2B gel. And I'm basically putting it where my hairline and my forehead first meet. Okay, now we're gonna let this layer, we're gonna let that dry too. And then when that dries, I'll be back and we can actually start doing something, you feel me? Because this step is boring. Okay, now I'm gonna take my scissors. These are just fabric scissors. Okay, now with this part, you need to be really careful because you can actually cut yourself if you're not doing this carefully and if you're not paying attention. Okay, this is my wig. I think you would call this water wave. I'm gonna take the yellow GOT2B. The gel is not fully dry, but I'm impatient. First of all, can we talk? This is nice. I used Texture ID shampoo on it, so that's probably why. Because when I washed it first, it was not this defined. Anyways, I'm gonna put this wig on. It does take a while. But once you get it, like, you got it. I'm pressing this part of the comb onto the lace to secure the spots where the glue, not the glue, I keep calling it glue, and please don't come for me in the comments. I know it's not glue. Take the scarf off. It should be good by now. Now me, I said I was gonna wait 40 something minutes, but it ended up being like 2 hours. My hair is still wet. It's not dry, which is weird. But this is what it looks like. You guys can see the front is very, very white. I'm gonna take my spray bottle. This has a little bit of conditioner in it, but I don't really care. And I'm gonna spray the front of the hair because it is stuck from that gel.
I'm gonna take the comb and I'm just gonna comb through it.
Now this is the process that YouTubers don't show, but this part is real, which is why I'm showing you guys. This is a part of it, and it is tedious. Like I said, it is a lot of work, but once you got it, you got it. Now right here you can see the cap, but that's okay, I don't care. I hope to put edges there anyways. I did pluck the hairline myself, so it's not really that good. Let me turn the light. It's not really that good, but it's decent. And as I go, as I see what looks good and what doesn't, I'm also going to be pulling hairs out. That's my way of plucking, because I don't like doing the tedious, oh, let's use tweezers and pluck it. I don't like that. That takes forever and ever, literally. There's a lot of hair right here. You just take a piece, you wrap it around your finger, hold your finger by the lace so that you don't rip it, and you pull. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back and both sides are gonna be done.
You got it, girl, you got